a good time, say, oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest show on earth. We got some of the most amazing dancers from around the world tonight.
Ubah Lahkmen Romboy Ubah Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih. Ulang bakane ke sorkar kadang penengkong bancim kia ban pynbha ki ïingskul. Nama kadang kajingnya day bat ka jingyo pulih ke bapher. Ke sorkar kalamang pisah ki program bapher ban pynbha ki skul da ke bamang pisah na ke benta ke mission 1 2 bat 3. Bat menta sa ke mission 4. Namar ka jingdon kumbakat san hajar teli ki elementary school ke sorkar ka hab ban le ekane lengba ki benta bapher. Kajing temu jo ke sorkar kalong ban peti kena babarok ki skul kendon ki ïingskul ki bapha kabayday bat ki kendon ki babyang bat anle ekine kat kum ki face kamanuan kawai hadian kawai pat.
Of construction of a new building as a whole. So we have planned to take about 150 schools, not only that through the ADB program. We have planned to take about not less than 15 schools, so near about 150 schools we will take, and including repair and all, it is about 160, 170 schools, including the fund from the government and also from the ADB. See, the government, this is the first government which recognized that the infrastructure of the school also linked to the quality education of the children. So we have invested in the mission 1, mission 2, mission 3. Now we are going to invest in the mission 4. Having said that, as you know that in the state of Meghalaya, only elementary school we have near about 15,000 schools. Is that it's not very easy for the government to undertake on its own. Having said that, we are now doing in a phase-wise for the government school, but for the deficit or ad hoc or the academic age school, some they are intervened, some they are doing on their own. But our intention is that to see that all the infrastructure which used to teach the children should be proper, should meet all the criteria which is needed for the true development of the children. As I said, the government have already invested in the mission 1, 2, 3. Not only that, repair of school in thousands of schools they have already embarked by the government, and it is a continuous process. We will see that how to develop and how to take care of this school. Having said that, as I said, that it is not a question of 100 school or 1,000 school. It is a question of 15,000 school, private, government, government aided, and deficit. That is not a single matter of joke.